When you're considering filing bankruptcy, one of your concerns may be, how is bankruptcy going to impact my career? Well, one of the things that we're going to do when we sit down with you for your individualized consultation, I'm going to want to find out about that concern. I've done a lot of bankruptcies in my days, and there are certain careers that could be impacted by filing bankruptcy in the insurance industry, in the brokerage industry. But I'm going to sit down with you and I'm going to ask you questions that are going to allow me to zero in on exactly what you're doing. And I'm going to tell you if there's any risk at all that this is going to impact your current employment or your future employment. And some of you are concerned that your employer is going to find out about filing bankruptcy or that you filed for bankruptcy. But I can assure you that it's rare that your employer is going to find out. Bankruptcy is filed in federal court. It is very difficult for someone to find out whether or not you filed for bankruptcy. It's not something that's going to appear on CCAP, that's the Circuit Court Access, so someone can't just Google your name and see if you filed for bankruptcy. In fact, it's very odd when a client comes in and says, my employer found out I filed for bankruptcy. And what I've found often is that sometimes it's important to be transparent and tell your employer what you're going through. I think you'll find more often than not that your employee is very understanding. You're going to be a much better employee if you're not worrying about wages getting garnished, if you're not worried about utilities getting disconnected at home or your house getting foreclosed upon. I can assure you that we're going to take every concern that you have, including your concern about your employer finding out about you filed bankruptcy, to make sure that the bankruptcy process is as smooth as possible for you. Bankruptcy is going to get you back on your feet and allow you to focus on your career so that you can achieve all those things that you want to achieve at your current job or in the future.